welcome back, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm just going to be doing a simple clean with me. My refrigerator and freezer are very dirty and gross and are in need of a deep clean. So we're just going to clean the fridge and the freezer out. I'm going to try and reorganize it, also throw out any old food that is gone bad, and I'll show you how I clean it, what I use, and so yeah. Anyway, I hope that this brings some good cleaning motivation to y'all, and let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and get a before. As you can see, it's very unorganized and it is so dirty. Guys, look at the back. It's just gross. This is what happens when you have two kids and don't have enough time to clean it, every month or 2 weeks or whatever you do. So there's the before fridge, the before freezer, which isn't as bad, but it's still like a disorganized mess in here. As you can see, it's not as dirty, so that's good, but it is very unorganized. So we're gonna organize that. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so first I'm just going to go ahead and empty everything out of the main part of the fridge. I just do it this way because it's easier to wipe everything down once everything is out of there. And obviously there's some really nasty stuff in there, as you can see. I haven't cleaned out the fridge in a while, so. But yeah, so I just want to clean it all out, and then I'm going to wipe it all down. So what I like to use to clean my fridge is a scraper, sponge, and a washcloth. And then that sprayer that I just showed you is filled with vinegar and water. And I just don't like using toxic chemicals while I clean, so I like to use white vinegar. And so that's what I'm spraying here, as you can see, in my refrigerator. So now I'm just going to take the scraper and the sponge and kind of scrape all the stuff off of the top of the glass here, just so that it's easy to wipe down. So I like to scrub it all off first, and then I'll take the rag later and wipe it all off. So that's just, for me, it seems to be the easiest way to do it, and that's the easiest way I have found so far. So yeah, that's what I'm doing there. Also, I wanted to kind of just show you guys what it looks like before we clean it. Yeesh, yuck. I also decided that I was going to go ahead and take out some of the glass top, just because it was easier to wash in the sink than in the fridge, so. So I went ahead and decided to grab a scrub brush and really get into the grime, because the washcloth wasn't cutting it, and so this really helped get in some of the grooves and things that I couldn't get with my fingers. So that was nice, and it really helped give it a more clean and just perfect look. Alright, now I'm going to take everything, even the shelves, off of the door and clean the door and then clean the shelves because they're kind of dirty. They're not as bad, thankfully, as the inside of the fridge, but this is definitely needs to be done and organized. So that's what I'm doing here. Alright, so now that the fridge is done, I'm gonna go start on the freezer. Thankfully the freezer isn't bad, so this should take me no more than like a couple minutes, so yay for fast, right? Well, that's it. I cleaned my refrigerator and freezer. They look so much better. I mean, it's so pretty and clean in here. Now, it's not going to take long. As those of you who know and are subscribers to my channel, you know that I have 2 kids, and so my fridge is always needing to be cleaned. But it looks so much better now. I absolutely love it. It's clean, and that's the way I want it. Hopefully I can get cleaning it more often instead of like once a month. It'll be like once every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. I just hope to do it more often. But anyway, I hope that this gave you guys some cleaning inspiration / motivation. And I know I love watching motivational cleaning videos because it just helps me get up off the couch or get up when I'm not doing something and go clean something. So I know it helps me, so I hope it helped you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider commenting and telling me what how you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like more like it, then please do comment and tell me so. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Have a great one. Bye.